definitely yes. Hello. Trying to get cover my tits as much as possible because I don't know why you should be fighting with me nowadays. Hey loves, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am currently organizing my wardrobe and I just wanted to just try on some clothes. I want to make a video out of it for the fun of it. So yeah, some new clothes are gonna be coming sometime soon. They should have been here, but for some reason the shipment company decided to delay stuff. I'm so sorry. I caught cold, so my voice is kind of funny today. So yeah, I'm gonna get started, and you guys know how you do this. Let me know which one is your favorite. And some of these things I want to think you guys have seen before from some Tron hauls, but luckily this time we're doing what's this video? Is it strictly? Let me start with my swimwear. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I decided to see my house. So this is, I'm mostly trying to show you my cover-ups, not necessarily the bikini itself. You all know I don't really need nudity, so not even half of it. This is how far it can go. So this is a whole knitted cover-up. It's short. Yep, that's how short it is. Okay, so that's how short it is, and it has these little designs going on over it, and it's cute and it's very light. Ooh, I think I like how this situation right here, because I was really worried since they all go behind my back, but it's nice. I haven't worn it in a while because I keep buying a lot of them. Sometimes I just wear something just that, like if maybe I have a trip, then I'll just wear that particular trip, and then maybe not after. But I didn't wear on a trip. I think I was shooting some gig and there were swimming pool scenes, so I just wore it. Yeah, so that is the first one. Let me show you another one real quick. So if you're a day one, you've probably seen this one before, and I decided to wear it over my underwear because it kind of exposes some parts of my butt. And last time, and I remember that in the video I had said I'm gonna try to find a way to bring the whole thing up. So the reason why I turned to use it as a cover up, it's because I haven't worn it anyway yet though. So I use it as a cover up because it's very transparent. I don't know if y'all can see from there, but I can see my bikini from, like, I'm looking at the mirror, I can see it. So normally if I'm not wearing this part of my butt gets to be out, okay, and it's very long. I wish I could show you how long it is. I'd have to move this. Oh, it's a lot of work. I don't think this helps, but maybe to some extent. Let me see. Okay, because it still just goes all the way down, and it's very long. That is why last time I thought maybe I would have to find something to pull it up a bit, and like that. I'll probably wear it in my next vacation if I'm not sure what I bought, but yeah, I'll probably take it with me because it's a very sexy dress, and look at how cute it looks. Okay, with the chains, not like with the entire underwear, but imagine if it was just chains here and then here like that. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, so was one of them. So since the season is upon us, I'm just like, what else do I have? Because I tend to forget stuff that I have. Let me show you another one. Time I wore this on a town hall, I couldn't figure out exactly how to show it to you because it's hella transparent. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to cover up this portion because it shows my nipples, and that's how transparent it is. And I think what I don't necessarily like about it, this is how it looks behind. I'm gonna tell it just cover my butt. Yeah, I'm not trying to entice anybody here. Cause next thing I know, YouTube gives me a strike taking about I'm not supposed to sexually satisfy you guys, which is weird because what? Anyway, so yeah, I've worn it before. I was saying I don't like the idea that up here, I haven't found any bikini top that goes with it. So sometimes I would have to just wear a bottom and not anything up here because, but then the other problem is that my nipples are literally out at this point, you know? And I think I've only worn it once and that was it because of this situation. Unless of course I was to wear it while I was just, I don't know why am I even wearing a cover up if I'm with people I'm comfortable around. So yeah, this is the other one. I bought this one locally though, it's not from online shopping. And I'm wondering if I have gained weight. I can't seem to get what's happening here because the last time I bought it, this was really bothering me. And today it just seems to be settled. Did I get a big tummy? What's going on here? Anyway, chat, so that's what's up. I'm gonna wear a few more and then do a try on haul for dresses. So I don't know which one you're gonna see first, but should you see one for my dresses first or this one first? Do check out the other. Okay, let me get into that one. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention that it is long as well. It goes just all the way down. I want to think you may find it online. I was just buying it from some shop locally. It just came alone as a cover up. Yeah. So I decided to change my makes me feel like it's a bit low down. My swimwear, because I'm not about to appear here with it all in. So I figured why not show it to you guys. This is what this can do. You can just take it all up and then have that going on. Like that. So anyway, as I was saying, I got these from Shein. If you're interested, you can check out Shein and get yourself one. I hope because the swimwear, the bikini rather, is really cute. So if you're interested, you can check it out. I know you're probably there like, why didn't I just show it? No, why not? That's not why we're here, guys. I do not enjoy getting strikes from YouTube. There's nothing fun about that because I don't know how long I don't know how many warnings do you get before they're actually like and we can't do that. So I think I wore this one to my last vacation trip to Nice now, or was it a Port Elizabeth? I think Port Elizabeth was cold. It's probably at Nice now. Or George. I'm not sure. But it was on that trip. I remember I went to one of the beaches. And I love how light it is. This is what it looks like behind. It's just a very plain item. So these you can either pull all the way up and then you expose more booty. I actually have to tie it here so it can behave properly, because it's not behaving right now. And just from my observation, I chose the wrong bikini. I chose the wrong bikini to show you guys with this cover up. Reason being, they both have just a whole lot of strings. Maybe if the bottom didn't have so many strings, then it would work better. So yeah, this is how it looks. In case you feel I'm not looking at the camera, my mirror is hit here, so I'm kind of looking at myself as well. So yeah, I'm gonna try. Why are they so many? Okay. Ugh. I don't know. I'll try another one. So since that item was black, this is another color. Let me wear the black. This swimwear is an emerald green, but it's an emerald green. It's an emerald, okay. So let me wear black so that it is a blend in the. Okay, it looks like it's fine. Okay, because I also have this in black. So. Okay, let me just show you. So this one, you can put that up, which is very unnecessary, and then the bottom is the one that is what do you call? That is somewhat off. It is transparent, its bottom, and it goes all the way down. Short, but for some reason I can't seem to show just how all the way down this whole thing goes. But if you've seen my other videos, you've probably seen it, and you can see how far the arms goes as well. Yeah, that's like it looks. I don't know, a part of me feels it would look nicer in black, but yeah, you guys have seen it. Probably before, probably now. And like I said, if you're interested in the swimwear, I got it from Shein. This cover up I got from not Shein, sorry. I got it from Fashion World. Yes, I got it from Fashion World. So yeah, that's just mostly covered up here. You can use it as a cover up. You can also just wear it as nice and on top when going anywhere with shorts underneath. So I tend to multitask it. Except I think the last time I wore it was when I was going to Sun City. Or was it Namibia? No, after Namibia I wore it again in Sun City. So yeah. Okay, let me show you all the other one. Ooh, I'm wearing heels because it's a necessary drama. Guys, I bought this because I liked it, and I still do. It's just, it has never seen sunlight. I've never worn it, ever. I just only wore it on the halls and I put it away. And that's because I haven't like gone to any place that I felt worthy of being worn at. Ooh, girl. Hey, sexy. Sheesh. Guys, I think I've gained weight. I can see that my clothes are fitting me a bit different. But I don't know where my butt went though. Because I mean, normally it's the one that shows me that I've gained weight, but last time I was stretching properly like this. Yeah? So anyway, these are like those outfits that you just buy because you like, and you never wear because you just feel you haven't gone to a worthy place yet. I have a couple of island visiting, like on my bucket list. I have some islands I'd like to visit. Probably I wear it there. Don't I look good? So yeah. Ooh, sexy, right? So yeah, this is one of those this is one of those outfits. And then there's this other one that I wore to last year on a boat cruise to Cape Town, and I'll just share a picture here because somebody then wanted it and I sold it to them. I'll just share a picture. So yeah, maybe someday when I go to a very nice boat cruise, I'll probably wear this one. And mind you, it's made from wool, like all across it's wool. Every little design is made from wool. But yeah, that's our showstopper. So right now I wanna say goodbye to you guys. Alright. So thank you all so much for watching. Like I said, there's another one on dresses, so I don't know which one you're gonna see first, but if you enjoyed this one, you're probably gonna enjoy that one as well, so feel free to check it out. I am, at the end of the day, just organizing my closet, and I just wanted to make it a bit fun. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed, because I did. Bye, and do subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.